Hello, my name is Ioannis, and in this video tutorial we are going to take a step further from the previous video tutorial where we use the AND operator, so the AND gateway. So in this case we are going to use the OR gateway. In order to do this we need to basically add two inputs, similar to what we did before. We're going to put a gateway, an output, an LED, digital LED. Okay, and we are going to add the OR gateway. So when you hover over it says OR gate. Okay, so now we're gonna, let's change the value, the label to A. Let's change the value, the label to B, to make this a bit more easy for you to understand. Then we say OR, and this will be the outcome. So I'm just gonna click and drag the A to OR, click and drag the B to OR, and then click and drag the OR to the output. Okay, so because we're using the OR, as you can see, the first one is 1, the second one is 0, the light bulb lights up, the LED lights up. If I click here, when the other one is 0, the light bulb lights up, and then if both are positive, so 1 1, the LED light is still on. Let's transfer this now into our program. Let's bring up Visual Studio. Now in the previous tutorial we added this code. Okay, I'm just going to put a description, a link on the description for the previous video tutorial. So the only thing basically we need to do here is basically change the AND symbol with the vertical bar, which is Shift and the key next to Z. We're going to put double one. Okay. If we later on, when we're going to use binary code, we're going to need a single vertical bar. So the double vertical bar or single vertical bar basically represents OR. Okay, where before we had AND. Okay, so let's put OR. So Control S to save. I'm just gonna press load or press F5 to run the program, and now we're gonna say 1, and then the other one is gonna be 0. So the AND, let's stop that, let's change that to OR output. Let's put here OR, just to keep it correct. Still gonna work, you just need to make sure that we have a clear view of what basically we're doing. So let's press play. Now enter the value A, 0 or 1, set 1, and then the next value is going to be, let's put 1 as well. So the OR output is 1. So that one will be 1, the next one will be 0, the output will be still 1 because we'll use the OR, and then we're going to say 0 or 1, and then the B value will be 1. This will result back to 1 as an output, and now the only way to result to 0 as an output, we're going to put 0 for A and 0 for B, and the output will be 0. So basically this is the OR gateway, and this is the process of basically design it, and this is the process of basically program it. Hope you've learned something new today. I hope you will use these new skills to create great logic boards in the future. Bye for now.